Moving the car from here to here is called a lateral shift. So what is the purpose of lateral shifting? One day, you park your car here. When you come back and try to drive out, you realize you cannot get out. This is when lateral shifting techniques can help you. Today, Parking Men will help you fully understand the core idea of lateral shifting. First, let's look at the principle behind lateral shifting. Driving forward from one lane into another lane is called a forward lateral shift. Likewise, reversing from here to here is called a reverse lateral shift. You may have already noticed that they share one common point. Whether it is a forward lateral shift or a reverse lateral shift, you first turn the steering wheel toward the direction you want to move, drive a certain distance, and then turn the steering wheel in the opposite direction. This is how the car achieves parallel movement. However, in real life, you will never have this much space to operate, so you need to combine forward lateral shifting and reverse lateral shifting. Let's take a closer look. First, turn the steering wheel to the left and drive forward halfway. Then turn to the right and drive through the remaining half of the available space. When we compare the position, we can see that the car has already shifted slightly to the left. Next, we perform a reverse lateral shift. Turn the steering wheel to the left and reverse halfway. Then turn to the right and reverse through the remaining half. You can clearly see that the car has moved even farther to the left. So every time you complete one forward lateral shift and one reverse lateral shift, the car moves sideways in that direction. This allows you to get out even in very tight spaces. Parallel parking follows the same principle. If you want to move the car to the left, you first perform a reverse lateral shift. At this point, the front of the car sticks out more than the back of the parking space. Then you perform a forward lateral shift. You can see that the rear of the car is already halfway into the parking space. After repeating a few more lateral shifts, the car will move fully into the space. Now let's summarize. It is actually very simple, with only 3 steps. First, drive halfway in the direction you want to move. Second, stop the car. Third, drive the remaining half in the opposite direction. Then you repeat this process continuously. The idea of lateral shifting is not complicated, but there is one more important key, which is patience. Staying calm and steady is the foundation of all driving techniques. Have you learned it?